Alright, got a new set of forks here. I'm upgrading to a 100mm suspension here. You can see the size difference here. The original RockShox is only 80mm. I don't even know if it's that much, but it may be less than that even. Maybe only 65 or something, I don't know. But I think it's 80, this one. But yeah, it's a 28mm. And this is actually the same fork as my other, the Schwinn that I just sold. Except for it don't have the lockout. And manual lockout that one had, and it cost me twice as much. So for 70 bucks, I already knocked the race on there. Just gotta be careful and alternate sides when you're tapping it on with a screwdriver or whatever there. Bearing and headset thing kit was like 15 bucks. So yeah, it's ready to go back on. I just gotta measure and cut the steering tube and tap the star nut down in there and stick it on there. But yeah, would have been nice to have the other one with the lockout, but I couldn't find them. These are actually getting pretty rare now. This is new old stock with the V-brakes set up. So if you're gonna upgrade anything and keep the V-brakes, otherwise you're gonna have to go with hydraulic brakes, which is no big deal. I could put the hydraulic on here too, but I'm keeping it with the V-brakes. So yeah, that's a nice little upgrade there, because definitely like to have that extra bit of suspension bottoming out. Plus I'm leaning forward too much, it'll bring it up perfectly nice and not have to worry about bottoming out. That's it.